All right, Kipsters, let's begin our presentation. These are some guidelines that we will have to follow during our stay in school in order to keep our Kipsters safe at Kip Umundo. What we will learn today, we will talk about health and safety first measures in order for you to be safe. We'll also talk about how we can keep safe our community in school and care for one another. At the end, we will have time to answer your questions and even practice time. Health and safety first. As a family, we will rise together by being responsible and making choices to keep ourselves and our community safe. We will be doing at-home self-assessments, temperature checks, we will use masks, we will do social distancing, and we will practice hand hygiene. We recognize this is new and this is hard. We know we can do this well together. Your teachers and leaders are here to support and ensure we are all making the best choice, safety, and learning. We love and miss seeing our students. Arrival greeting. Due to safety reasons, we cannot give out hugs or touch each other. Here are some options that we can use to greet each other. Enthusiastic verbal greetings, air high fives, hug yourself and then point to the person you're sending it to. Big excited wave with both arms. It is unsafe to be speaking face to face less than 6 feet apart, giving high fives, side hugs, and handshakes and fist bumps. Health and safety considerations. At home self-assessment. Tell your parents if you're feeling sick before you leave the house each morning. If you have a fever, you cannot come to school. Arrival temperature check. All staff and students who enter school must have their temperature checked. Anyone with 100 Fahrenheit temperature or higher must go home immediately. Students will go to the Get Well Soon room until they are picked up by their parents. Wear a mask. All staff and students who enter school must have a mask that covers their nose and mouth at all times, unless eating or drinking. Ensure you are bringing your mask every single day. While wearing your mask, make sure that you do not wear the mask below the nose. Do not push your mask on your neck. And do not wear your mask such as it only covers the tip of your nose. When we see an unsafe procedure happening, it is our responsibility to remind the person or let your teacher know. Social distance. Use the 4 to 6 feet apart rule when walking in hallways, using the restroom, during recess, and when grabbing breakfast and lunch. Walk and follow the blue social distancing shoe print signs on the floor. Do not touch the walls. Keep yourself an airplane arm's distance apart from other students. Hand hygiene. Anytime you enter a classroom office or leave classroom office, there will be hand sanitizer nearby. Anytime you use the restroom, thoroughly wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. If you are out of soap, alert the bathroom monitor immediately. School's materials. School supplies. We won't be able to share items. We cannot bring toys to school. You will store belongings in individually containers and in the cubbies. You should bring your own water bottle, as drinking from our water fountains is not allowed. What should I bring to school daily? A mask. We will provide one if you don't have one. A pair of headphones to use during class. A backpack that will be placed in the back of your chair. And a water bottle. Remember, we will not be drinking directly from the fountain. Classroom expectations. You will be in an assigned seat every day. Please ensure that you only sit in your assigned seat. Breakfast and lunch. For your breakfast, you will grab breakfast upon arrival. In lunchtime, you will transition with your class to the cafeteria to grab your lunch, and you will eat it in your classroom. Food cannot be shared with other students. Parents cannot bring in food or sit with a student in class during breakfast or lunch. Sanitize, that means clean your space before and after you eat. Mask off only during this time to eat or drink. Your mask must be put on once you have eaten your meal. Arrival and dismissal. School starts at 7:20 in the morning. School is dismissed at 2:55 in the afternoon. Students must be picked up by 3:25 in the afternoon at the latest. Recess. Playground equipment will be closed. We will not share toys. All staff and students must maintain 6 feet social distancing during transitions and recess. All staff members and students wear a mask at all times. Students will sanitize hands before leaving the classroom. Students will utilize their personal water bottles, and students will wash their hands before returning to class. Clinic support. If you are not feeling well, raise your hand and your teacher will call the nurse. If the nurse allows it, your teacher will write you a red pass. Use hand sanitizer before leaving the room. Look both ways in the hallway before exiting the classroom. Follow the directional markers on the floor in the hallways. Go straight to the clinic support office and show your pass. The nurse will contact your parents if necessary for pickup and will alert the teacher for the outcome if you are allowed to be sent back to class. Restroom breaks. Use the bathroom signal to ask to go to the restroom. One student at a time will be allowed to use the restroom. Ask for a green restroom pass. Do not share your pass with any student. Use hand sanitizer when leaving and returning to the room. Look both ways in the hallway before exiting the classroom or restroom. Follow the directional markers on the floor in the hallways. Show the restroom monitor your pass. Wash your hands thoroughly while in the restroom for at least 20 seconds. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, this is the time when you can raise your hand.